Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Love to Create by Tonya. Today I'm going to be bringing to you some neutral fall decor, and it is also the Power Up collab and giveaway. Now here are some of the girls that I'll be working on this with. Now I'll have a link to their channels in the description below, so you can hop on over there and be entered in to the giveaway for this wonderful prize worth $120. Now I'm going to go ahead and start out my designs with this chop saw, and I decided to take some table legs, and I'm just going to cut these down, and I'm going to try to use every part of this table leg. And I used two of these thin table legs, and then I had two smaller ones that I'm going to be using for this design. But I'm just going to cut these down in the areas that I want the shapes to be for the types of candles that I'm going to be doing. And then we're going to use a little oscillating multi-tool sander to sand these down. And then I'm going to use my drill to put some holes in some of the little blocks. But this is going to be a really fun and neat way to make some beautiful candlesticks. Now after I get everything sanded really well, I'm going to take my drill and just attach some of these wood pieces that I got at Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to take some of the little wooden balls that I purchased at Michael's and use those for the legs and attach with super glue. Then I'm going to use some of these little actually they're little shot glasses, and I'm going to be using those for part of the candle. And then I'm going to take some of the little mini palettes and just glue those on the bottom and top of the other candlesticks. These were so quick and simple, everyone. And then I decided to take these little bases of the table leg, which would actually be the top, and I'm just going to paint these with some of the white and then add some of the white wax to these, and then I'm going to be mixing the fawn in, and all of these are going to have the same color. I'm going to have the white wax on here and the fawn, and I'm basically just building up those layers on all of the wood pieces because this is going to go with my neutral decor that I'm putting in my home. And I did the darker colors on the bigger candlesticks, and then the little wooden ones here where I'm just going to put the little wax candles in, I just did one coat, and you can see how all of these had turned out. Now I decided to do a couple of these pieces white, and then I added a little white. I was just trying to get lots of different little tones running through there before I put that white wax on. And I did use the matte finish on the white wax, but I love how these turned out. They had such a vintage look, maybe a little shabby chic look to them, but I love the neutral color tones in this, and they look absolutely beautiful where I'm displaying them in my home. Now I'm going to take some of these candles and the glass vases that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to use those flowers that I had purchased from Michael's, and I'm just going to tie these on gently and just do a little drop of glue. And then I'm going to use some more of that green netting ribbon that I just love, and I'm going to put a simple little bow on here, and these just fit in perfectly with my home decor. Now I'm just going to take just a few of these little leaves that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I just wanted to have just the hint of fall in these. And I really like that you could leave these up all year, and you could even pull the little leaves off and add a few sprigs of some pine in here, and you could very easily use these all year round. But you'll have to let me know what you think of this concept of taking those little mini palettes and putting it on that candlestick, because I just love how this design turned out, and just look how pretty these are. And everyone, don't forget to check the description below. There will be that playlist where you can hop on over and look at all the other fun DIYs that the girls are creating for you today. And you will need to like and comment on each one of our videos, and you will be entered in the giveaway for that wonderful gift that's going to be given out. Now for our second DIY, I'm going to be taking some flowers and just bending them around the base here, tying them on with rope twine. I'm going to take some moss and put underneath those, and I'm going to put a little bit of moss in the top, and I'm going to add some of those Dollar Tree pumpkins to the bottom, and then one of the Dollar Tree candles to the top. And what a fun, quick, and simple design this one was. Now for our next design, I'm just going to be taking the thickest part of those table legs, and I decided to turn these into some unique little pumpkins. I'm going to take some of those succulents and break them apart and let that represent the leaves of the pumpkin, and I'm going to tie some rope twine around the top here, and then I'm going to once again use those little wood pieces, the apple scented ones that I had picked up at the grocery store, and have those as the stems. And I was going to put some letters on these, but I decided just to leave them plain today. But they would look really cute with, if you wanted to put happy fall or just autumn on these. But I thought it was just a fun and simple way to stay with that neutral tone and a unique look for these little pumpkins. Well, everyone, I hope you're enjoying today's DIY so far. I have two more that I'm wanting to share with you before you move on to one of the other girls' DIYs. And don't forget to check out everyone. They all have wonderful DIYs to share with you today. And here's our little pumpkins setting up and displayed. Now for this DIY, I have taken some of these little mini candles that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna melt that wax down in there so the candles will stay in their pre-drilled holes. And then I'm gonna take this eucalyptus that's actually scented. It smells wonderful. And just glue that across the front of each one of these. And I thought these were such cute little, I think you could use these also as a centerpiece. You could just turn them where they are kind of back to back to each other, and it would make a really cute centerpiece for a small table setting. And I added some of the tinier little pumpkins from Dollar Tree, and then some more of the leaves that come off of a piece of greenery I had in my craft box. And I'm just going to pull in some of these little neutral beige color tones, because once again, I'm doing a lot of this color tone throughout my home this year in my kitchen and my living room area. And then I'm going to take some more of those little cream colored neutral leaves and just pop this hint of fall in there. And that's what I love about this design, because you can really just pull those out and change this up from season to season. Well, everyone, I have one more candlestick DIY, and I really love how this last design turned out. I am using some corn husk and some wheat. It all came in a bouquet from Walmart, and it made really neat little candlesticks. And I love how each one of these turned out, and I thought you could separate them, or actually I kind of put them together on a really big shelf, and it kind of made a statement. But I just love the design, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. And you'll have to let me know which one of these was your favorite, and if you had a favorite, and if you enjoyed these designs today. Now we're going to finish up with our corn husk and wheat candlesticks, and I thought this was just another fun and simple design. I just twisted that right around the base there, and I did put a little dab of hot glue to hold these on. But I thought, just what a fun little accent piece that you can set up on a shelf, or these would look great on your fireplace mantle. And I added the little tea light candles to the top for just that nice little soft glow. And then of course I added some of the lighter color rope twine, and I did purchase that one at Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to finish this design off with some of those moss netting bows and some of the battery operated tea lit candles. And this design is done. Well, everyone, I hope you have enjoyed today's DIYs. I know I enjoyed creating each one of these, and I definitely enjoyed participating with all of the girls in this Power Up collab and giveaway. And don't forget, go down and check those girls out in the description below, and just remember to like and comment on each one of our videos, and you will be entered in the giveaway. And all of the details for the giveaway are also in the description below. Well, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I thank you so much for being here today. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because that does really help YouTube notice my channel a bit more. more. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you consider doing so. And if you are a subscriber, once again, I thank you so much for your support, and I will see you on the next one.